Hello! Today we'll be going over a step-by-step guide for properly changing and fitting cloth diapers and covers for pumpkins. Get your little ones, grab your fluff, and let's get to it! First, position your clean cloth diaper underneath your baby's bottom. Aim to have the back of the diaper sitting about as high as your baby's belly button to ensure a good, proper fit. If you're using a pumpkin's diaper, the yellow side should always be on the outside. If you're using a booster or soaker pad, be sure it's laying flat and not folded or stuck underneath your baby's bottom so that the diaper is free to stretch forward. Pull the diaper through your baby's legs and up towards their tummy. The elastic band should follow the crease of your baby's legs and fit inside their underwear line. There shouldn't be any cute baby leg chub stuck inside the diaper. Next, fan out the front top of the diaper across your baby's tummy and pull each of the side wing tabs up to snap the diaper into place. The side tabs should wrap across your baby's waist and not cross over their thighs. Don't worry if the snaps aren't perfectly aligned. We're going for fit here, not form. So even if one snap isn't fastened, or they don't all line up perfectly, that's no problem, so long as you've got a nice, snug diaper. Finally, it's time for the cover. Your baby's diaper cover needs to fit snug in order to be effective. So be sure to give it a nice big stretch as you pull it up and forward between those little legs. The cloth diaper underneath shouldn't be showing at all when you're done, and the cover itself should fit nice and tight around your baby's waist and legs. For those littlest little ones, take a moment to sneak your fingers in between the rise snaps and push the folded fabric up towards baby's head. This helps the front panel lay flush against the diaper for better comfort and fit. If the cover's elastic leaves faint, sock-like red lines in your baby's chub, that's fine. That simply means you've got a great fit going on. And that's it. You've just aced a successful cloth diaper change. Congratulations! Looking to learn more about cloth diapering? Get in touch with us at Pumpkins Today, Calgary's only locally owned, family-operated cloth diaper delivery service. And thanks for tuning in.